Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm really corny with the same hey guys, what's up, blah blah blah. Before we get into this video, I want you guys to stop the video right now and subscribe to my channel. I noticed in my analytics that a lot of people that watch my videos are not even subscribed to me. It's literally free to subscribe. It's free to like, it's free to comment below and let me know what you want to see, what kind of videos you guys like. Let's get this video to 300 likes, guys. Let's share this video. Let's subscribe to my channel, okay? Also, turn on your post notifications. Shameless self-promotion. I also want to thank the people that are subscribed and do like and do comment. I see you guys' comments. I see your likes and I see your subscriptions and I appreciate y'all. This hair right here is ISEE hair. I actually love the hair. Right now when it's wet, it looks really pretty, but it's like, I want to say it's like 50% dry right now because I just did the video. This intro is getting too long and I know you guys hate long intros, so I'm going to try to chop it up and make it at least like 1 minute, 50 seconds or something like that. But anyways, let's get into the video. I'm done talking. I'm sorry. Let's get into it. Go. Okay, so the company's hair that I'm using is ISEE Hair. This is their Princess series. They gave me 4 bundles and a frontal of their Mongolian curly. In the bag, the hair came with I forgot what these things are called, but it basically lays your edges. It came with a toothbrush to lay your edges, and it also came with some 3D mink lashes, and also their business card was included in the bags. I also wanted to show you guys how the hair looks like up close. This is how the bundle looks like up close, and this is how the lace front looks like. It actually has a little bit of baby hairs that they created, and as you can see, the lace is really thin, so it's gonna really create that natural look when you install the wig. This is the final look. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video, and you know, I actually really like this hair. I might do an update to show you guys how the hair looks like in a few months, if it like remains like this and whatnot. But so far the hair is really nice. It's really beautiful. In terms of ISEE hair, this is my first time actually wearing their curly hair or wearing any hair from them, so I'm really impressed with these bundles. Okay, it's like fairly long, but it stops like right here, like mid length of like my stomach. So all the details about this hair will be in the description box below, and the hair that I'm wearing will be in the description box below. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below for any ideas of the types of videos that you guys want me to do. Well, was it itchy? It's itchy. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.